FitLab PGH, back with another breakfast idea. If you're going to be fairly active and you need something to keep you well fueled, this was a recommendation from my doctor at SteadyMD, Dr. Spencer, who suggested I incorporate some oats or steel-cut oats into my diet. So I start with a half a cup of steel-cut oats, and I usually put them in to soak overnight with a cup and a half of water. I put those on a simmer as it thickens up. I use 1 scoop of protein powder. Yes, I weighed it out. 14 almonds. I like the smoked and salted almonds because they got a little better flavor. I'll do about 1 ounce of granola. I like kind granola. Sometimes I go a little bit less. And then a half a cup of frozen berries and 1 cup of yogurt on top of it. It takes about 10 minutes to make, gives me a healthy breakfast, keeps me well fueled until lunch. Another movement tip and lifestyle hack from FitLab PGH.